Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 ways of installing plugins on your WordPress website. The first would be using the WordPress library, second would be uploading the plugin through WordPress dashboard, and third would be using the cPanel hosting. So this is a website that we have. For this example, I'll use the classic editor plugin. This is a simple plugin that disables the new block editor on WordPress and brings back the old UI. So to install it, simply click on plugins. Here, click add new plugin button. This takes you to the WordPress library. Here, you'll see this classic editor plugin. In case you don't, you can simply search it here. Now to install this plugin, it's really simple. Just click on the install now button. Then wait for it to install. Now that the plugin has installed, we will not activate it yet. Let me show you what the current editor looks like. So this is the new block editor that comes in the newer versions of WordPress. Let me go back and hit activate. So now that our plugin is activated, simply go here and hit reload. Now this is the classic WordPress editor. Now let me go back, deactivate this and delete it. Now in most cases, when we purchase a premium plugin, we receive a zip file for it. So now let me show you how to upload that zip file to WordPress. Click on the add new plugin again. And this time, instead of choosing one of these, click on the upload plugin button here. Click on choose file, go to your downloads and select the zip file that you have downloaded. Hit install now. Now that our plugin has been installed, we can activate this. And just like before, we have our new plugin activated. Let's go back. I'll deactivate this and I'll delete it. Now this was the simple way using your WordPress dashboard. Let's say for some reason, you're not able to upload your plugin through WordPress dashboard. Maybe because you do not have access, or maybe you're facing some issue. Then what you can do is, instead of using your WordPress, you can use your cPanel hosting account. Let me show you how. So open your hosting account and open your cPanel. Here, under the file section, you'll see File Manager. Click to open this and open the root folder of your website, that is public_HTML folder. Double click to open this. Now this folder holds the entire WordPress installation. You'll see this WP content folder here. Double click to open this. And this is where all the uploads of your website are stored. Look for the plugins folder here. Double click to open this. And these are the plugins that have been installed on your website. Now we will upload our zip file here only. So click on upload button and this page would open up. Go back to your downloads. Drag your zip file and drop it here. Wait for it to upload. Come back here. Hit reload. Now you will see this zip file here. Click on it and hit the extract button. Do not change the path and click extract files. Hit close, reload again. Now here we have a folder of the plugin that we just installed. Let's go back to our website and hit reload. And as you can see, our plugin is back here. Now the rest of the step is same. Hit activate. Go back to your editor, hit reload, and our old UI is back. I believe all 3 ways are pretty easy. You should decide which one to choose based on your requirements. And that's all. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.